So today I'm going to be teaching you how to make your object move or react if you have come across where objects are being lifted from the ground to stove and stuff like that. So today I'm going to be teaching you. First thing you're going to do is to go to your Chrome browser. Once you open your Chrome browser, you're going to be using the Chat GPT. Once you open your Chat GPT, what you're going to do next is to input that picture you want to use. So you click on it here, you say add photo. Once you click on add photo, you're going to tell the photo now because there are two different pictures. Your couch is there and then your cream is there. So you're going to pick a picture that you want to work on or use. This is the exact picture I want to use. Now I'm asking Chat GPT to give this picture little legs. If you look at my prompt, I asked him to give him little legs, and then I will now ask him what to then it will generate. So we have to wait for it. You have to have data and a perfect internet connection. You just wait patiently for it. If you notice, the picture I used was not as clear as this, and that's why I gave my prompt to make the picture very clear. It's very, very clear. So after generating it, if you look at my cream now, it's now having a tiny leg. All I need to do now is to just download it. Same thing happened with the next image I'm going to be generating. Now in this place, I'm going to be adding a Spider-Man by my cream. Do you understand? Look at the prompt there. I say make the picture very sharp, remove the noise, make it very clear. Put a little Spider-Man standing close to the bottle of the cream. And I want it to be in ratio 19 and 16 because I'm using it for a YouTube channel. So you hold on for it to generate your image for you. So this is it. You will just keep waiting until you generate it. Remember, I said you have to have enough data and a good internet connection. That's the only way it's going to generate perfectly well for you. This thing I said violates some of their conduct, some of their policy. So I had to leave ChatGPT because of that. I did not forward it so you understand that there are times that something like that can happen. So the next place I went to was my Grok. So I went to Grok and I opened it and I pasted the same prompt I copied. I just wanted to take note of that too, that there are some images that Chat GPT might not generate. They'll tell you it's violating their policy. I don't know. I don't know if Spider-Man close to a cream should violate a policy, but that is what happened. So I have to run back to Grok to generate better. So the same prompt I used there was the same thing I used also on Grok. Then I waited for it, and voila, surprise, surprise, it gave me my image. In fact, Grok will give you two images, then you pick from one of them. I downloaded this particular one because it came out perfectly well for me. One thing about Grok is that you can manipulate the images right in Grok there. So with this, I changed my prompt. I say you should change the cream. You should change the cream to a bottle of wine. That was what I asked him to do. So I asked him to change the cream to a bottle of wine, and he did. In few seconds, he did. He changed it to a bottle of wine. So on Grok, there's a limit of video they are going to download per day. That is just one secret I want you to know about Grok. So whenever you get to that limit, I would advise you add another person email to your phone, maybe your friend, your partner, whatsoever it is, add it to your phone. So when you get to the limit of using your own Gmail to generate any image for video for that day, you can also use the person on. As you can see, this is Spider-Man, and then there's a bottle of wine also beside him. And then one good thing about Grok, like I said, is that it will bring two images and then you will choose one. You choose which of them you want. So I choose this particular one and I downloaded it. So I asked him to remove the sofa and put a very beautiful chair. That's what I asked him to do. A very beautiful chair with a glass cup on it. So, and that's exactly what Grok gave to me. Hit my generate and give me what I asked him to give me. And yes, this is it. Went back to Brock to tell him how I wanted to move or how I wanted to behave. So when I click on it, I went down, I went to animate photo. It took me here. And then I picked this particular one that I wanted to use, just the green with the leg. And then on Grok, just know that it's going to generate any image for you. Immediately you're posting, or immediately you're picking a video, it start generating it for you automatically. But for you not to waste your credit for each day, don't allow it generate. Just type in your prompt what you want the image to do or what you want your item to do, how you want it to behave. So I did that on time. I just type it, make the cream walk and climb the sofa, which is the couch, and stay there. Remove the leg when it is on the couch. And if you look at it, it's exactly what it did. It gave it a leg, it walked on the couch, and then it removed the leg immediately. So that's what you should do. You'll be the one to type in your prompt on time. The same thing happened to the second image. I went to Grok again, and then I went straight to pick in my image from my gallery. And this time around, this is the particular one I picked, the Spider-Man with the wine. Your prompt, and he did exactly what I asked him to do. He went pick up the wine and kept it on the couch. And then the same thing happened to this last one also. I uploaded my image on Grok, and then I type in my prompt what I want him to do. I say make the Spider-Man to carry the bottle of wine and keep it on the chair. Do you understand? So I gave it some time, and it load until it gave me what I want. Anything you don't understand, please drop it on the comment section and I'm going to give you answer. And if there's anything you want to learn better, just tell me also and I'm going to answer. Thank you. See you in my next video.